Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, you ugly-ass little boy.
Yeah,
And what is your name?
little boat,
Little boat? Like a boat in the water?
little boat.
Never mind. What do you want for
Happy
Christmas?
holidays.
Yes, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that. What do you want
Happy
for...
Kwanzaa.
Hey, you retarded-ass boy, I'm asking you what you want for Christmas.
I want a PlayStation and an Xbox and Nintendo 3DS.
Little boy, playing too many video games will make you stupid. You must play a lot of video games.
Yep, little boat.
Let's think of something else, little boy. How about some clothes, some shoes, maybe a nice jacket?
I don't like clothes. That's an old people gift. I do need a jacket, man. You know why?
No, tell me. Why?
'Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota.